Hello friends, welcome back to class again. Yes, in this video we are going to be learning how to divide fractions with the online denominators, right? If you're just joining, my name is Faith Osemegbeohulu, your humble online tutor. Now let's get right into it. Now we have some questions on the board that has to do with what division of fractions with the online denominators. Now the first step to take here is to first of all convert the mixed fraction to an improper fraction. Solution. Question 1. We have 1 whole number 5 over 9 divided by 3 whole number 4 over 9. Now what is 9 times 1? 9 plus 5. That will give us what? 14 over 9. Divided by 9 times 3 is 27. And 27 plus 4 is 31 over 9. So what we're going to do here is to convert this 31 over 9 to the inverse or reciprocal. So we're going to ensure that we write the reciprocal of 31 over 9 so it can enable us to what? Divide the fraction appropriately. Now this becomes 14 over 9 times, now when you're writing the inverse of 31 over 9, the division sign also changes. So it becomes 14 over 9 times 9 over 31. Can you see the difference now, the magic that just happened? Not really a magic per se, but there's a change. Now when you're converting your fraction, your improper fraction to a proper fraction, it's called the reciprocal or the inverse. And from here we can now divide our fraction evenly. 9 cross out 9 give us 1. Our left it was 14 over 31. And that's that for this question. Alright? So question 2. We have 4 wholes 1/7 divided by 29 over 3. We're going to expand the fraction as usual. 7 times 4 is 28, and 28 plus 1 is 29 over 7 divided by 29 over 3. Now from here we're going to convert this fraction here on the right hand side, and the only fraction you are expected to convert to the reciprocal of the fraction or the inverse is the one that is coming after the division sign. Okay, after the division sign. And once that changes, the sign also changes. It won't be left as division anymore because the fraction has changed. It's no longer an improper fraction, but now changed towards a proper fraction. Now this becomes 29 over 7 times 3 over 29. Then we can now divide. 29 cross out 29. Our left with what? 1 times 3 is 3, and 7 times 1 is 7. We're left with 3 over 7. I hope you're following. Question 3. We have 24 divided by 16 over 3. Now the inverse of 16 over 3 is what? 3 over 16. Now this becomes 24 over 1 times 3 over 16. So we can now start breaking it down, right? 4 can go here 4. 4 can go here 6, right? 2 can go here 2, and 2 can go here 3. Now we have 3 times 3 over 2, and this is 9 over 2. 2 can go into 9 4 times, remainder 1 over 2. And that's the answer for that. 4 whole number 1 over 2. Question 4. 6 wholes 5/7 divided by 47 over 6 divided by 1 wholes 1 over 98. Now let's convert the fraction. 7 times 6 is what? 42. 42 plus 5, 47 over 7. Then the inverse, okay, let's finish up. Divided by 47 over 6 divided by 98 times 1 is 98 plus 1 is 99. 9 over 98. Right? Now let's continue. From here we'll have 47 over 7 times 6 over 47 times 98 over 99. Can you see how I'm able to break everything down now and also write the inverse of these fractions? Now let's move on. The next step is to start what? Reducing the fractions. 47, we're going to 47 once. Now can 7 go into 98? Okay. 7 can go here 1. 7 can go into 9 to give us 1 remainder 2. 1 remainder 2, yes. Then 7 in 28 is 4. Right? So that's 14. 7 going to 98 14 times. 3 here, 2. 3 here, 33. Now I'm left with 2 times 14 over 1 times 33. Now the answer is, nothing can go into 14 and also 33. 2 cannot go, 3 cannot go. So we're going to multiply them out. 2 times 14 will give us 28. And 1 times 33 will give us 33. And that's the final answer for this question. I hope it's not difficult to understand. Please, you can let your children watch this and learn how to solve questions that have to do with division and multiplication of fractions with different denominators. Question 5. 1 whole 5/6. 5/6 divided by 3 whole 1/12. We expand the fraction as usual. They will have 6 times 1 is 6 plus 5. 11 over 6 divided by 12 times 3 is 36 plus 1. 37 over 12. So from here we have 11 over 6 times 12 over 37. 6 can go into 6 1 and can go into 12 2 times. Can any number divide itself again? No. So we're going to multiply the fractions out. 11 times 2 give us 22. And 1 times 37 give us 37. And that's the answer for this question. We've come to the end of today's lesson. Please do all to like the video, comment, leave a comment. If you have any question, please do not forget to drop your question in the comment box. Share the video, and lastly, subscribe. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.